Hello beauties, do you guys see this unit? It is gorgeous, baby. This is from Shein. Yes, Shein sells 100% human hair wigs, and this is their honey blonde piano color highlight straight 13x4 lace front human hair wig. This unit is 20 inches long with 150% density. So this is what the cap construction looks like. The knots are not bleach, but because this unit is a very light color, blonde and light brown, I'm able to use my Ebin New York Tinted Lace Spray, and this is in the shade dark brown. This unit is pre-plucked, but I had to go back in and do some more plucking of my own. Next, I'm trimming the lace with some shears. Now you want to trim in like a zigzag motion. This works really well when the shears are nice and sharp. So you want to have more of a jagged edge cut when it comes to trimming your lace.
Someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me.
This will just give you a more natural, seamless look.
Places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and
now I'm ready to glue this unit down, and I'm using the Ebin New York Wonder Lace Bond, and this is a adhesive spray, and it's an extra firm hold supreme. I allowed the glue to cure about 15 minutes.
Come this far. Yep. I saw it on the internet.
I don't really know how to confess my
I decided to go with a side part on this unit.
test my love for you. Don't know how to express my love. That's why American Express. My love for you.
And I'm using my hot comb to flatten and define the part.
Tell me what to do. 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 I give you the world, but there's other planets too, man.
Now I'm ready to move on to cutting the baby hairs. Now I'm not gonna go crazy with too much baby hair. I'm just snipping just a little bit.
Take it from
Then I'm following up with the razor comb to soften the edges.
same as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. And I'm tryna
I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer to highlight the part. I'm using a razor comb to trim layers around my face to give a more fringe look, and I'm also going to trim the ends as well. Now this hair did not curl really good. It curled, but it did not hold a curl that well. So I went in with some light curls, not too much. I want to keep it more sleek. I'm just in love with the honey blonde highlights. They are just gorgeous. I mean, you have these beautiful tones of the S4/number 27, and it just sets off this unit. Use my code WIGJ15 to receive 15% off your order. And right now, Shein is having a sale on their units. So this unit is marked down as well, so you can get additional monies off. Next, I'm setting my edges with this ORS wrapping mousse. Then I'm using Ebin New York wax stick to tame the flyaways. And there you have it, beautiful bombshell honey blonde wig install. Like this video if you are in love with this color, honey. Comment your thoughts and questions, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Forever.